Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make very moist banana bread. First, gather your ingredients. The secret to incredible moisture starts with 3 very ripe bananas, showing plenty of brown spots. You'll also need 1/2 cup of melted butter and 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Don't forget 1/2 cup of sour cream or plain yogurt. It's a game changer for tenderness. Once your wet ingredients are well mixed, combine your dry ingredients in a separate bowl. This includes flour, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. The crucial step for moist banana bread is to avoid overmixing. Gently fold the wet and dry ingredients together until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine and actually preferred for a tender crumb. Now it's time to bake your delicious banana bread. Pour the batter into a prepared loaf pan. Bake at 350 degrees F for approximately 55 to 65 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out with moist crumbs, not completely clean. Overbaking is the enemy of moist banana bread, so keep a close eye on it. After baking, let your banana bread cool in the loaf pan for about 10 minutes. This allows it to set properly and prevents it from sticking. Then, carefully transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Slicing warm bread can make it crumbly. For maximum moisture, store your banana bread in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.